Hello. Now we're going to look at strategies you can use to improve your performance in the different reading tasks you will be asked to do in the exam. The first type of task we're going to look at is multiple choice. In this part of the text, you will be asked to read a text and answer 7 to 8 multiple choice questions about it. Let's look at some strategies that can help you to make the task easier to do. First of all, read the text quickly to get the gist or the general idea. If the text has a title or a subtitle, then read that first, as it will give you information on what the text is about. In the exam, this first reading should take 2 or 3 minutes. To practice the strategy, we're just going to read the first paragraph. Remember that there's no time to waste, so don't worry about understanding everything. For now, you just want to have a general idea of what the task is about. Let's read it now. Now look at question 1, just the first part. Don't look at the options for now. What's important? Underline it. You probably underlined Castle di Otranto. Now find the relevant part of the text. Underline that too. Write the number of the question next to it and read it carefully. Remember that in the exam the questions are in order, so it's going to be near the beginning. In this case, in the first paragraph. So what does the text say about Castle of Otranto? Try to answer the question in your own words. Now look at the 3 options, A, B and C. Which one is closest to your answer? If you really don't know, use a process of elimination. Think about what the text doesn't say. Choose your answer. Did you choose B? The text describes Castle of Otranto as the first Gothic novel, and option B says a pioneer novel, which means the same. You've written the number of the question on the part of the text where you found your answer, so if you have time at the end, you can go back and quickly check your answers again. Most people find this a good way to do this type of task because it's difficult to remember the 3 options and read and understand the text at the same time without going backwards and forwards from the text to the questions, which can be stressful and time-consuming. Let's go over the tips for doing this type of task again. Read the text quickly to get the gist or the general idea. Read the stem or the first part of the question. Ignore the options. Find the relevant part of the text and read it carefully. Think of your answer to the question. Now read the options and choose the one which is closest to your answer. If you're not sure, use a process of elimination.